Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it, like adding no recap. You know, I'm addicted to give you guys advice. So, question of the day is, we're getting to know each other. You know, so now, you know, like y'all know, stop right here, hit the like button, then comment. You know, what's your favorite food? You know, I'm nachos. You know, I can't go wrong. Nachos. Probably one, and then chicken tenders, then probably like hamburgers. Yes, I like chicken tenders. But yeah, nachos will probably be number one. A good nacho the right way, probably number one. So let me know what's your favorite food. Comment. So first like the video, then comment, then watch the video and comment again. So we up in this 2008 Nissan Ultima that I picked up from Oklahoma Auto Exchange. It has like 240 on the miles. Little check engine light on. Check engine light was on because of the O2 sensor, which ain't nothing. That's an easy fix. You know, you can buy a set of O2 sensors off of Amazon. I can buy both of them for like $30 for both of them. The oil was really black, so we're about to go take that to get that change here. This little place that does oil change. They done went up, you know, the price of everything went up, so I'm probably buying somewhere else, probably like one of those little, try to find somewhere closer. But this is my guy Larby. I've been coming to him since I opened. The oil change used to be like 20, now they like double. They used to be like 24, and they were like 28, they were like 32. But you know, the price of everything then went up. But yeah, this Nissan Ultima runs and drives. It's running and driving really well. But when I'm gonna take it here, I'm gonna take it to him, get the oil change, get all the fluids topped off. You know, I paid $700 for it, so $700, another $100. You know, like it's already like fairly cleaned out. So what I always do is, I don't know how people take care of their car, so what I always do, I always either go get some seafoam or like some other type of fuel treatment, like whatever. I always like to go get put some fuel treatment, put like $10 worth of gas in there after, you know, get the oil change and stuff like that. So because who knows, I don't know what kind of gas people putting in their cars, so you know. We're gonna let this one already about run down, so we're gonna let it run down some more, throw some fuel treatment in there, throw 10 no more than $15 worth of 100% gas, you know, in each vehicle. You know, it gets it up to closer to a half a tank as possible. Gas is pretty cheap right now. It's, see there right there, but it's $254 and $284. So $254 for ethanol, $284 for 100%. So $15 to get you about 3 or 4. I mean, I'm tripping. They get you about 5 closer to 6 gallons of gas. This thing does need 2 front tires. So let's say we're gonna do, let's just say another $100 to go get some good used tires from the place for like $30 a pop. At like $30 to $40 depending on the size. And who knows, I might switch it up with put the black hubcaps on here to make it even look better. I always like the white and black look. The white with like the black hubcaps always makes it look a little bit better. But we're about to take it here, get the oil change, get all the fluids topped off. That's what you do. Take them. You know, it's like you can charge like $60 to change them, like change the oil and top off all the fluids, which you can't really beat it because you know you're changing the oil, you're topping up all the fluids. Hey, what can I complain about? Invest a little bit of money, make some money. You know, we got but if you're here in Oklahoma and need oil change, he's also who I use sometimes for my mechanic work. I'll use him, then I use Jenner. But I've been coming here longer than I've been coming to Jenner, so. But he's the oil change spot. Got a little exhaust leak. As y'all can see, the tire is no good. I'll probably go with the black hubcap. Probably go get 2 tires for the front. What's going on, Fred?
What you doing?
Waiting for you to let me hold some of that money you get. Waiting for you to let me hold some of that money.
What money?
All that money you got.
What money?
All that money Larby been paying you.
Shit. Look like you need a new fender.
New fender? Why I need a new fender?
Look at this.
That's all right, Fred. Hey.
Hey, look at that. Look at this. Look at this.
That's because people don't take care of it. That's all right, Fred. As long as the hood comes up and it ain't scraping, it's all right, Fred. You don't
straighten it out for you.
No, because if you probably gonna mess it up. I don't want you to. I'll straighten it up myself, Fred. They said you ain't too handy. But yeah, it does have an exhaust leak, but I need an oil change. I need an oil change and I need my fluids topped off, Fred. So.
Oh yeah. Just get it inside then.
I'm just looking at my tires, Fred, making sure they all good. Okay, so it really only needs one. That one's good. It's just that one's no good. So when you know one tire is no good, it's probably out of a line some way. Because that one tire will, or maybe but they're not the same brand of tire, so probably either the alignment off, but I couldn't feel an alignment issue. So or they just replaced one tire and didn't replace the other. You know, sometimes people see one tire and replace it, and then that's not a good thing too. You got a front wheel drive car, replace the two front ones. You got a rear wheel drive car, replace the rear one. You got an all-wheel drive car, replace them all. But yeah, I paid $700 for it. Probably put another $100 in it. Then I'll sell it for like $1,800, $2,000, somewhere in there. $1,200, $1,500. Probably can make a little bit more, but I'm not one of those people that be like, oh, let me buy this. Let me charge $3,000 for the Ultima with 240,000 miles. It's got 240,000 miles. Yes, I know Facebook's gonna, cause I know I'm gonna go put it in Facebook just to show y'all how much Facebook says it's worth. You know, I always like to. I'm gonna start doing that too. So just so y'all can see like what the market is averaging. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna throw that up there in Facebook. You know, throw the VIN number in there with the miles, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom, and then I'll let y'all see like what Facebook says is gonna what Facebook says is worth. So. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think of this Nissan. How much would y'all sell it for? Like I said, it's white, and then it's got this black interior. So I'm gonna probably go get the black hubcaps. I'm not gonna get the regular hub. I'm not gonna get the not leave these factories on. The factories look okay, but they have to be size 16s though. Yeah, they're 16, so that's perfect. That's perfect. Get the black ones. Throw them on there, so you got the white and black look. You see like that, like when it's like a car that's like white. I like to do a white and black look, or red, like red and black. Like I bought a Cobalt, it's red. So I'm gonna go get the red and black hubcaps with the red and black seat covers and stuff like that. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. About to be here with Fred getting my oil changed. Larby said I get a discount.
You're crazy too.
Yeah, he said I get the best price in town because I've been coming here so long.
I don't care what you've been doing.
Okay. I'm gonna call Larby. He might have to let you go for it. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, you do. You do care, Fred.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna just tell my brother not bring you no pretzels or no nothing. Ain't gonna bring you nothing.
They ain't brought anything in quite a while.
Well, that's fine. I'm gonna tell him not to bring him. Really, don't bring nothing.
Oh, shut up.
Appreciate everybody. I'm out. Peace.